Are you having trouble getting your Facebook ads to actually work? Mistake number one is having unappealing creative, right? And this is probably one of the most important things is you've got to have copy, you've got to have creative that stops the scroll, right? If you look at your own ad and you're like, you know what, I wouldn't stop at that, then that's a surefire sign that it's probably not the best, right? Make sure that your images or your videos are exciting to look at or interesting in some sort of a way, right? I get a lot of interesting, or I guess I should say not so interesting, Facebook ads with really generic pictures that don't do anything for me, and I will not stop to see those things, right? The second thing that you want to make sure, and so many people do this wrong, let me tell you, because I have gotten some strange ads, is this is the common mistake is people do poor targeting, right? So you can target them by the other people on the internet that they follow. I mean, there are so many ways to target people on Facebook, and the answer is not, well, I target anyone over the age of 18. If your targeting is just people in the US 18 and up, unless you're doing that for liquidity purposes, which we can talk about on another video, right? But if you're not doing any targeting or specific targeting, Facebook is going to have to spend some money to figure out who the heck is going to be interested in this thing that you have. Like, who are the leaders in your niche, right? Who has the big following on Facebook fan pages, right? Because you can often target by some of those really big brands, right? Knowing these things and selecting your targets accordingly will make a huge difference in the viability and the success of your Facebook ads. What does my creative do? Is it stopping the scroll? And who am I targeting? Get really crystal clear on those things and start there if your ads are not performing. Go ahead and grab my free guide in the description box below. Check that out and you can start putting together an actual strategy so that you are finally getting leads and sales in your business.